Now we will begin to learn how to opening your gate and gathering energy from the sun. This exercise is best when you are at work under the sun. When we stand under the sun, face the sun, opening your hands with your palm facing towards the sun. Close your eyes, then place your mind in the center of your hand. Your finger should be naturally extended, but not too tight. Now using your mind to breathe in your hand. When you are inhale, use your mind and imagine that the center of your hand is breathing in. And when you exhale, use your mind to imagine that you are exhaled out of your hand. Inhaled, using your mind to breathe in through your hands, and exhaled out of your hand. When we stand, the requirement of the body is to stand naturally upright. Shoulders down, chest loose. Once again, inhale through your hands and exhale out of your hands. You will begin to feel the warmth of the sun. As you inhale, you can actually feel the warmth, the energy that comes into your hands. And as you exhale, you will feel something, the unwanted energy, leaves your hands. Inhale to draw in the fresh, good energy. Exhale, let go and release unwanted energy. Inhale draws in fresh, good energy into your hands. Exhale, released and let go unwanted energy out of your hands. As you practice, when you inhale, you will feel the warmth from your hands moving up towards your arms and into your chest. And when you exhale, let go the chest and feel the unwanted energy go down through your arms, out of your hands. Your body will begin to feel very warm. When we practice this, feel the warmth, but does not get too hot. This exercise is best to learn under the sun, so we know how the hands feel. You can use your hands to gather energy and release energy. Once you experience through this, your hands becomes alive. After you understand, you do not need to stand under the sun to gather energy. Once your hands are open, you can gather energy anywhere, anytime that you want it.